Well, I found the problem. I had some bad wire in there. So I'm gonna go through here and just get this in there real quick. Put y'all right there. Got stuck in my wand. When I like to weld a little bit faster sometimes, and been wondering why this thing's been running so slow. Now I know. Got it all fixed now, and what it was this was too tight and this was too loose. So between both of them, I wasn't welding too good. So maybe now my welding will be better. So let's try this again. Ram number 3. All right, working on this car again. Woohoo! Here we go. Damn thing don't want to go on there. I'll just cut this portion off here. Alright. Complications, but we'll get it done. Alright, here we go. Welding again. Oh yeah. Yeah, that fixed it. I don't want it on 10, I want it on about 5 though. Alright, we're doing good. Since I fixed it, it's a lot better. Well, I got the welder fixed. You can see this looks really good. Got it nice and smooth. I'm going to smooth it up. I'm going to try to even patch this up there a little bit more. I got this a little bit better. That's really strong. This is fixed finally. Good old welder was broke the whole time. Didn't even really realize it because it's my first welder. But y'all have a good one. And next time y'all see me, I'll be in the shed welding up. Not welding, but actually, I might probably weld tonight to weld these pieces there to put on the car. Go ahead and weld them up in there. You can shape them up in the car, in the shed. Well, y'all have a good one. I'll be back later.